Hi, first graders. Time for some math. Today is Friday Fun Day. We're going to have math game day today. Take a look at these dominoes. What do you notice about all these dominoes? You got it. They are all doubles. They are all doubles. Take a look at this first domino here. 1 plus 1. You got it. 2 plus 2. Doubles, right? 2 plus 2 equals 4. You got it. Doubling the number every time. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Next one, we talked about this one yesterday. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then our last one, 6 plus 6, you got it, equals 12. There are our doubles. Why do we call those doubles, friends? You're absolutely right. We call them doubles because we are adding the same number twice. We are doubling it. Double recipe. Let's make a stew. 1 plus 1 is 2. They will want some more. 2 plus 2 is 4. Put more in the mix. 3 plus 3 is 6. This is smelling really great. 4 plus 4 is 8. Don't forget to stir it again. 5 plus 5 is 10. Let's try this one more time. Doubles recipe. Let's make a stew. 1 plus 1 is 2. They will want some more. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Put more in the mix. 3 plus 3 is 6. This is smelling really great. 4 plus 4 is 8. Don't forget to stir it again. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So our first game we're going to play today is Double It. And you are going to, if you're going to play it with paper, which this is in your white binder at home if you would like to play it, you can play it with your cubes and place the cubes on, or you can color it in, then you're not going to be able to use that paper anymore. Or you can put it in one of the plastic sheets that I gave you on your binder and you can use your marker. You can also click on this website and go play it on the website, or you can just roll the die and you can move these shapes over. So if I roll a 1 on the die, then I would move this shape over and cover the 2 because 1 plus 1 equals, you got it, 2. Now my friend I'm playing with rolled a 3. So who can double that? 3 plus 3 equals, you got it, she's on 6. I roll a 4. You're right, 4 plus 4 equals 8. My friend rolls a 5. My friend covers the 10, and so on and so on. Okay, if you choose to play it online, it will pop up like this. You can roll the die. Okay, a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Don't forget to double it. 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5. 5 plus 5 is, you got it, 10. 4 plus 4 is, you got it, 8. 5 plus 5 is, oop, another 10 there. Going back to me. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Oh my goodness. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Ooh, I got a 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. Oh boy. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. Oh no. 3 plus 3 is 6. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. So everybody see how to play this one? Okay, you are doubling the number that you roll on the die. Now, if you're playing it at home and you don't want to play it on the Chromebook, you do have it in your binder. Just use your die and use your markers to mark it. Or you could put it in your plastic holder and you could play with your marker. Thumbs up. All right. There's lots of different strategies we've been talking about for adding. There's lots of different strategies that we've been talking about for subtracting. This game for adding and this game for subtracting, you are going to use a very specific strategy. Okay, you're going to spin the first spinner and then spin the second spinner. So on the first spinner, I got a 6, and on the second spinner, I got a 2. And you see the 2 dots here on the 2. So I say 6, point to the dots, 7, 8. As you're counting up, you're pointing to those dots. So we have an 8. A 9, and a 3. Okay, so we're going to say 9. We're going to point at the dots as we do it. 10, 11, 12. Eight and 3. So I'm going to say 8. I'm going to point to the dots. 9, 10, 11. Okay. And we're going to spin again. 8, count up 1. And we know that's, as we point to the dot, 9. So we're going to write a 9 on the line. Spin in the spinner again. 7, 3. So I say 7. Now I point to the dots. 8, 9, 10. Ten and 3. So I'm at 10. I'm going to add 3. 11, 12, 13. Okay, spinning the spinners. 6, count up 1. You got it. 7. Here we go. 6. Count up 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Counting back 1 is 8. Okay, so you get the hang of the addition game. Again, this game is also in your white binder if you want to play it. If you'd rather play the paper copy than this copy, the spinner is going to look like this. All you would have to do is put a paper clip on your pencil and spin it around, and you could use your paper ones if you would rather. Or you can use the one on the computer. Totally your choice. If you use the spinner and the board, again, if you use the paper one, you'd only be able to use it once. If you put it in your plastic container, you could use it several times. Alrighty, friends, our last one here is subtract and add this time. And it's on the same page as the addition. It's the one with the car over here. You're going to get the hang of it pretty quickly. It's almost exactly like that one. Okay, so I spin the first spinner and I spin the second spinner. The first spinner, I'm at 8. And the second spinner says 1. So I'm going to count back that 1 dot. I'm at 8. I'm going to count back 1 and I'm going to say 7. I'm going to take my marker and mark it. Okay, we're going to spin both again. 9 and 3. So I'm at 3. As I do this counting, I'm going to point. 8, 7, 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. And you want to play until one column is full up. Till one number wins the game. Till one column is filled up, excuse me. All right, so we have 7 and 2. So I'm going to say 7, and as I point to the 2 dots, I'm going to say 6, 5. 6, 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So then I take my marker and write a 5 in the 5 column. Rolling again, spinning again. 7, 2. Okay, here's the 7. I say 7. I come over to the dots. 6, 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So now I'm going to take my marker and write down a 5. 8, 2. So I'm going to start point at the 8. I'm going to come over here, point at the dots. 7, 6. 10 minus 1. What's 10 count back 1, friends? You got it. It's a 9. Do you think we have the hang of it? Well, I hope you enjoy these games. I hope you enjoy double it. I hope you enjoy spin and add, and I hope you like spin and subtract.